In AUXLAB, there are 4 functions of filtering you can use easily: low pass, high pass, bandpass, and bandstop filtering. Let's begin with the white noise, which by definition has all frequency components equally, that is Y. We are making Y1 from Y applied to low pass filtering, Y.LPF of 2000. Here 2000 is the nominal boundary frequency. Likewise, Y2 is a high pass version of Y with the same boundary frequency, HP of 2000. Third, Y3 is the result of BPF, bandpass filtering. Here we have 2 boundary frequencies, 1000 and 2000 Hz. Lastly, Y4 is for BSF, bandstop filtering, with the same boundaries. Let's look at the signals. Click each of these variables to highlight and press Enter key. Y, Y1, Y2, Y3, and Y4. Let's arrange these plots. They may look pretty similar, but we will see that they are very different signals in terms of the spectrum. To see the spectrum, press F4 in each of these plots. So here, Y, the original white noise, has flat spectrum, and the rest have different shapes like low pass, high pass, narrow band, or excluded band. Play these and see how they sound different.